Hello guys, today's question is print first and Fibonacci numbers. Today's question is very simple. Question says that given a number n, find the first and Fibonacci numbers. The first two numbers of the series are 1 and 1. So we know that the Fibonacci number is which is start 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 5. We know that the nth Fibonacci number is nothing but simply Fibonacci of n minus 1 and Fibonacci of n minus 2, which means any Fibonacci number is the sum of previous two Fibonacci numbers. That means if we want to this Fibonacci number, that means for finding this Fibonacci number we have to add this one and this one. Okay, for this Fibonacci number which is 3 is find to add 1 and 2, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So simply Fibonacci number is the sum of previous two element in the Fibonacci series. So let us code this question. So we know that if there is a 1 n equals to 1 or n equals to 2, that means there is a one Fibonacci number or two Fibonacci number. So simply we going to, if n equals to 1, that means there is one number in the our series. So we simply return 1, which is mean first element, nothing we do return. And if there is a n equals to, that means we have to return two elements. So we simply return 1 comma 1, that means two element. Okay, and now if there is a more than two element, then now we perform some operation and store our element in an array and then return. So for storing the element, we create a vector which is storing the element of the Fibonacci number. So we assign a vector which is long answer. Okay, and we assigning two variable which is num1, which is 1, and value num2, which is again 1. That means there is two element, first element is 1 and second element is 1, and we simply push back to answer because there is a first element and second element. Okay, so we simply push back num1 and simply push back num2. Okay, push back num2. Now after calculating number 1 and number 2, we going to calculate n numbers. So we going to a for loop which is start for I equals to 3, because we already calculated num1 and num2, and we going to I equals to 3 to I equals to n and I plus plus. And we know that next number is the sum of previous two numbers. So we assigning a current number which is the sum of previous two numbers, which is num1 plus num2. Okay, now this current number which is storing an array. So for storing, we simply answer dot push back this current element. And now the next iteration, num2 becomes num1, which means, and num1 becomes current. Okay, now we know that after performing one iteration, the num2 become num1 and num1 become current, so that we can perform next iteration. So after we storing our element in the answer array, we simply return our answer variable, answer vector. So that is how we shall write this code. So we simply going to the, if n is equals to 1, so then simply return 1. If n is equals to 2, then we simply return 1 comma 1. Again we simply simple mistake, which is we assign this is long, because there is a first is assigning, this question says that you have to return in long format. So we change this into long. Now we compile and run the code. So compiling, so we get the expected output. Now submit the code. Let's see what is the output. So submitted code, we submitted successfully. So that is how we solve this question. If you not understand this problem, you can comment below in the comment section. Thank you.